Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Katie. How's everybody? Good, I'm happy to hear that. So today's video is going to talk about something that happens in the springtime. We already know it's getting warmer and the flowers are blooming, the trees are growing back their leaves, but something else happens that I love so much, and that is baby animals are born. Do you love baby animals as much as I do? Raise your hand. You do? Excellent. So I have a question. Why do you think that baby animals are usually born in the springtime? Why is that? Because it's warm. Excellent answer. In the winter, it's so cold and everything is covered in snow that the animal mommies and animal daddies would have a really hard time finding food to feed their babies. That's why the babies are usually born in the springtime when it's warm and the snow melts. So food is easier to find. Now we know in the springtime that we could look up in the trees or in the bushes and we might see these all the time. We talked about it on my last video. Birds lay eggs in the nest, right? But did you know that there are other animals that also lay eggs? Yes, there are. I know. Can you take a guess? What other animals do you think also lay eggs? Butterflies, great answer. So today we're going to talk about oviparous animals. Can you say that with me? It's a big word, I know. Oviparous. And oviparous animals are animals that lay eggs. So we said butterflies, that's right. How about this picture right here at the top? Frogs, good. We mentioned butterflies. And how about the picture on the bottom? Alligators, good. They lay eggs. How about this one? What's this? Good, a fish. And at the bottom? Snakes, good. And turtles also lay eggs. I don't have a picture of those. So these are oviparous animals, and they all lay eggs. Now, do you think that eggs are one color, one size, and are only found in one place? The answer is no. Eggs can be all different colors, all different sizes and shapes, and could be found anywhere. Let's look at the first picture. Where do you think frogs lay their eggs? That's right. If you said in the water, you're right. And they also might lay their eggs on plant leaves near the water. And what color do you think frog eggs might be? Yes, they are clear, and they have a black dot in the middle. And how many eggs do you think a frog might lay? You think 100? Well, that's a great guess. They could lay 1,000. What a big number, I know. Let's look at the picture in the middle. What is that? Good, a butterfly. And where do butterflies lay their eggs? On leaves, excellent. And what color eggs do you think butterflies might lay? Good, their eggs might be white, they could be brown, black, or yellow. And how many eggs do you think a butterfly lays? 10, that's a great guess. Sometimes butterflies might lay 12 eggs, and other times they could lay 300. So that's another big number. Let's take a look at the alligator. Where do you think alligators lay their eggs? In the grass. Excellent. They also might lay their eggs in the mud near ponds and water. And what color do you think their eggs are? They are white and they're big. They almost look like the eggs we could eat for breakfast time. And let's take a guess. How many eggs do you think an alligator might lay? You think 20? Well, that's a great guess. Sometimes they lay 20 eggs, or sometimes they can lay 50. Now let's take a look at the fish. Where do fish lay their eggs? In the water, excellent. And what color do you think fish eggs might be? That's right, they could be red, they can be black, they could be orange or clear. And guess what? Fish also could lay 1,000 eggs. Very big number, I know. Let's take a look at the bottom picture, the snake. Where do you think snakes lay their eggs? That's right, they lay them in holes in the grass, in the dirt, in the sand, and their eggs are also the same color as an alligator egg. Who remembers what color the alligator egg was? White, good job. So they lay white eggs too. And guess, how many eggs do you think snakes lay? You think 5? Great answer. Sometimes they lay 3, or sometimes they can lay 100. So these animals are, let's say it one more time, they are oviparous animals, and they lay eggs and their babies grow inside the egg. Now, how about animals that don't lay eggs? Who knows what those are called? It's another big word. Get ready. Say it with me. Viviparous. Let's say it again. Viviparous. Those are animals. They're also called mammals that don't lay eggs. And where do you think those babies grow? Yes, they grow in the mommy's belly. What type of animal do you think is viviparous? Let's take a guess. Great. Cats, dogs, what else? People, great job. How about this animal at the top? A cow, good. How about that picture on the bottom? A pig, great job. Let's take a look at a few more viviparous animals. We have a bear, good. What's the picture in the middle? A horse, great. And at the bottom, a rabbit, that's right. Now, these animals, also called mammals, feed their babies with milk. That's what helps them grow up to be big and strong, just like me and you did when we were little. And usually these animals, they have fur or hair, but sometimes there are animals in the ocean that are also viviparous, but that don't have hair. Guess what? Whales and dolphins, they do not lay eggs. They are mammals. That's right. So these are, let's say it one more time. These animals are viviparous or mammals. They do not lay eggs. Their babies grow in the mommy's belly. So now that we know the difference between viviparous and oviparous, I need your help with a game. I have a bunch of pictures here and they're in a big pile. They're all different types of animals. They're all mixed up. And I have a sorting game and I need your help. The game is called Who is Oviparous? On the left side, it says who lays eggs. I gave you a little clue. There's the egg. And on the right side, it says who does not lay eggs. And I need your help. We have to take a guess and sort all my pictures. So let's take a look at the first picture. What is this a picture of? A tiger, that's right. Do you think tigers lay eggs? Nope, they don't. So I'm gonna put a piece of tape, because I don't have glue, on the back of my picture. And I'm going to tape it on the does not lay eggs side. Let's take a picture. Look at the next picture. Oh, what is this animal? That's right, a turtle. Now, does a turtle lay eggs? They do, great job. And where do they lay their eggs? Who can guess? They lay them underground in the sand by the ocean, that's right. So what side is the turtle going to go on? Good, the left side. So let's put it right up there. Okay, let's take a picture. Next picture. Oh, here's my dog, Holly. Who remembers, do dogs lay eggs or are they mammals? That's right, they are mammals. They do not lay eggs. So, the picture of the dog is going to go on the right side, under the tiger. Okay, the next picture I'm going to grab is, it's a small one. We see these in the spring. What are those? Good, that's a ladybug. What do you think? Do you think ladybugs lay eggs? You're right, they do. Ladybugs are oviparous. They lay eggs. So I'm going to put tape on the back of my picture, and I'm going to glue it on which side? The right side, under the turtle. Great job. Okay, the next picture is, what's that? Who knows? If you said lizard, you're right. It's a lizard. What do you think? Do you think lizards lay eggs? They do. Just like ladybugs and turtles, they lay eggs. So we're gluing the lizard on the left side, under the ladybug. Okay, let's take a look at our next picture. Oh, what is this animal? Lives in the ocean. Great job, that's a dolphin. Now, who remembers, are dolphins mammals? Do their babies grow inside their bellies, or do they lay eggs? This is a tricky one, I know. That's right, they're mammals. They do not lay eggs. So it's going to be taped on the right side under the dog. Okay, I have a few more pictures left. I have 4 more. Ooh, what is this? That's right, a spider. Do spiders lay eggs? What do you think? They do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put tape on the back. And I'm going to glue the spider next to the ladybug because there's some room up there. Okay, 3 more pictures left. What is this a picture of? We can find it on a farm. That's right, a sheep. What do you think? Do you think sheep lay eggs? No. So what side do I have to glue the sheep on? The right side. Great job. Okay, it's being glued on the right side under the dolphin. 2 more pictures left. What is this a picture of? That's right, a crab. What do you think? Do you think crabs lay eggs? If you said yes, you are correct. Great job. Where should we tape the crab? Where should the crab go? Which side? The left side, that's right. The left side under the lizard. Great job. Okay, I have 1 more picture. What is this a picture of? A whale. Great job. Are whales mammals? Do their babies grow in their bellies, or do they lay eggs? Who remembers? That's right, they're mammals. They do not lay eggs, so I'm gluing the whale next to the sheep. So there we have it. So you can do this project at home. You could print your pictures of all different types of animals or insects from the computer, or you can go through the magazine and find pictures of animals or insects and cut them out, and you can sort them all by yourself. So let's one more time take a look at our pictures. We have the left side. These animals lay eggs, and they're called, who remembers that big word? Oviparous. Great job. And on the right side, these animals do not lay eggs. Where do their babies grow? That's right, in the mommy's belly, and they are called viviparous or mammals. Great job. Hope to see you soon.